Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the right tools and replacement mesh. Once ready, lay the window frame face down on a flat surface and remove any screws or retaining clips. Keep them together so nothing is lost. Use a flathead to pry out the old spline and pull the damaged screen out. Measure the interior dimensions precisely, width then height, so you can cut the new mesh with 1/2 inch extra on each side for tension and trimming later. You now position the new mesh over the frame, keeping the weave straight with the window's orientation. Once aligned, begin at the middle of one long side and press the spline into the channel with the spline tool. Hold the mesh taut but not overstretched. Move to the opposite side, repeat, then do the short sides. This sequence balances tension and prevents waves. After the spline is seated fully, run the spline tool again to ensure a tight fit, and then trim the surplus mesh close to the spline. You finish by reinstalling the screen into the window sash and securing any screws or clips. Check that the window opens and closes smoothly before final tightening. If you notice wrinkles, lift the spline just enough at the nearest corner to retension the mesh and press it back in. This usually removes small waves. If the mesh tears or the spline channel is damaged, you may need to patch with adhesive screen tape for a temporary fix or replace the entire mesh and, if necessary, repair the frame channel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.